Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong post ni Attorney Rowena Guanzon. July 9, 2025. COA gives Office of the Vice President highest audit rating for third consecutive year. Ito yung unqualified opinion, highest rating. Tapos tanong, yung Office of the President or Office of the Speaker, ano kaya ang kanilang rating? Oo nga naman ano. So, kanina nag-press conference ang bagong designated spokesperson ng Office of the Vice President, Attorney Ruth Castello. Yan, in-announce niya na ang 2024 audit rating ng COA sa OVP is unqualified opinion. Ito, may post si Attorney Harry Roque. Sabi niya, congratulations to the Office of the Vice President for the COA's unmodified opinion on OVP's 2024 budget. So, 2024, unmodified. 2023, matandaan ko rin. Unmodified din. Yun lang, 2022, meron lang notice of disallowance ng dahil sa biglaang pag-release ng confidential funds. Yung 125 million. Yun lang. So, malinis ang audit rating ng ating Office of the Vice President. Ano ngayon ang nirereklamo nila? Okay, so basahin ko itong ito yung transmittal ng ano ito? June 19, 2025. Honorable Zara Duterte, Office of the Vice President. Ayan. Dear Vice President Duterte, we are pleased to transmit the annual audit report on the Office of the Vice President for calendar year 2024 in accordance with Section 43 of the Government Accounting Code of the Philippines. The attached report consists of the independent audits report, the audited financial statements, the observations and corresponding recommendations which were discussed with concerned management officials and staff, and the status of implementation of prior year recommendations. The audit was conducted, so and so, dito na tayo sa So we believe that our audit provides a reasonable basis for our unmodified opinion. Yun po ang mabigat. Highest rating. Pursuant, so and so. So, we express our appreciation for the valuable support and cooperation extended to the audit team by the officials and staff of the agency. Office of the Chief of Staff, yan, signed, yan, received. Sofia Gimora, Director 4. Yun. So, nandito yung Independent Auditors Report. Okay, balikan natin si Attorney Guanzon, former COA Commissioner. Tuwan-tuwa siya dito sa highest audit rating na naibigay sa Office of the President. Kaya nagtatanong siya, ano kaya ang audit rating sa Office of the President? Magtatatlong taon na sila, pati na sa Office of the Speaker, magtatatlong taon na. Wala pa akong nababalitaan, correct me if I'm wrong, i-comment nyo. Wala pang audit report na lumabas o nabasa ko tungkol sa Office of the President. Ganon na rin ng Office of the Speaker of the House. Wala pa. pwede bang malaman din natin? Kaya maganda nga itong tanong ni Attorney Roy Nagwanson. Ano kaya ang Office of the President and House Speaker? Pagbasa lang ko sa mga comments. Amor M. Nasi, COA gives Office of the Speaker and President the highest crocodile of the land. Iba naman to. Haji Villacastin, left the group po yun, Office of the President. Noe Zombie, Office of the President and Office of House Speaker is the largest farm of, hindi ko na lang basahin. Cherry Gast, waiting for the President and House Speaker COA report. Yan. Roem, gani attorney, wala na sa konstitusyon. Dani Mabayambang, Speaker, accept the challenge? Pwede kang challenge ito eh. Ilabas din nila ang kanilang audit report, di ba? Accept the challenge. So, sana mailabas din. Kasi kung ano-ano ang pinaparatang nila sa ating BP Sara. But lalo ang tayong mga nagmamahal kay BP Sara, maligaya tayo, lalong patunay ito na maganda ang pamamahala ng ating OBP. Kahit kakaunti ang pundo na naibibigay sa kanila, napapagkasya. Grabe ang itong 2025, grabe yung reduction ng kanilang budget, 1.3 billion ang na-reduce. So okay pa nung 2024 dahil hindi pa nag-divorce ang unit team, kaya marami-rami pa siyang pondo. Ngayon wala na. Okay.